So we've just done an M66 version 2. This is on a Lexus NX 2017. Obviously, if we come through, I'll show you the few features that we have. So on this system, obviously it is a tagged system. Now with the app that you would get, obviously if it's an optional extra, you can have the ability to see the functions of the car. So we have armed and disarmed on the top. We have one-time opening. We have your anti-hijack or the remote shutdown feature. We also have service mode on the far right, tracking with notifications on the time dates. Obviously, as you can see up here, we have multiple things on there to see the functions of the vehicle. If we come round, obviously once the vehicle is opened, if the system is armed, you will notice here, if I simply use the tag systems, I disarm the system, I can start the vehicle as normal. As you can see, system comes on and the steering wheel is light, ready to go, as it says ready down below. If I turn the system off, if I arm the system this time, and the system is now reset, I can simply try to start the car and try and start the engine. You will notice that the steering wheel is heavy, it's locked, it doesn't show you the ready symbol. And if we come round to the phone, we'll show you exactly what will happen on there. So you will start to notice, you will get the notifications coming through on the app as well. It will alert us to show you what the system is up to, and it also gives you phone call notifications on there as well. Now with this system, obviously it gives you your remote shutdown feature, so that will automatically shut the vehicle down for you. And that is the StarLine M66 version 2 on a Lexus NX300.